Hi girls, welcome to our second at-home learning video. Today we're going to be talking about the second category of mitzvot in Parashat Kedoshim that help us become Kedoshim, people who are holy, and all the other definitions of Kadosh that we talked about in class. So we're actually going to skip a couple of psukim. So last time we left off on Pasuk Daled. Now I want you to turn to the next page and we are going to be skipping to Pasuk Tet. So if you're using the Chumash from school, it's on the next page over at the very bottom of the page. So, alright. Uvekutzrechem et ktsir artzechem. And when you reap, to reap means to cut, the harvest of your land, lo techale peat sadecha liktzor. You shall not reap, which again means to cut, the corners of your field. Okay, so don't cut them. Leave them uncut. Leave them the way they are. Veleket ktsircha lo telaket. And the gleanings means the leftovers, whatever is left over of your produce. Lo telaket, you shall not collect. What does this pasuk mean? It means that when a farmer goes to cut everything that he grew over the last, amount of time that he was growing his harvest, he should leave the corners of his field uncut. Don't touch them, don't take them home, just leave them alone. And whatever's left over, whatever kind of fell to the side, if you cut and you have too much, just leave that alone and don't touch it, don't gather it. Why are we leaving it? We're going to talk about it in class, but I can already tell you that it has to do with giving it to people who don't have as much as we do. Okay, let's move on to the next pasuk, pasuk Yud. Vecharmecha lo teolel, and you shall not glean. And again, glean means don't clean your leftovers of your vineyard. Uferet karmecha lo telaket. Feret means individual pieces. So the individual grapes, the individual pieces of your vineyards, you shall not collect. Le'ani velager ta'azov otam. You should leave them to the poor and to the strangers. Ani Hashem Elohechem. I am Hashem your God. So let's go over this pasuk. When someone who owns a vineyard goes to collect all the grapes from the vineyard, the individual grapes that have fallen down, whatever is left over, don't collect them. You should leave them alone so that people who are poor and strangers means people who are not part of the community. Maybe it's people who are have recently converted and don't feel at home yet with the community. Anyone who is not part of the group, someone who we need to feel a little more mercy toward or be a little bit nicer to, you should leave that alone for them. Why? Because I am Hashem Elokechem. I am Hashem your God. And we're going to discuss why Hashem puts that last phrase in there. I am Hashem your God. How does that relate? And alright, that's it. Only 2 psukim this week. So I will see you in class.